This is the food of the wicked. It is these tables which the verse censures, saying, for all the tables of food full of vomit and excrements, there is no room. So it's Yeshayahu 28:8. Okay, so commentaries say the final words of the verse, mekum, can also refers to God, makom, right? Makom is a place, right? Can also refers to God, and thus implies that God's presence is also lacking. So meaning in these places where they concentrate only on eating, there is no God. Eating for the sake of indulgence is the direct opposite of the approach knowing God in all your ways. I think that this is the answer described previously. In Avot 3:3, also quote the verse this verse, and Rambam alludes to the Mishnah in the following Halachah. Okay, so we're going to look. So basically, just following on what we said before about this food and the sharing. On another hand, so many people on such a low level, that's the only way to get them in a shul, right? For a lecture, if there's a barbecue, this sushi and stuff like that. So it's very, very sad. But unless they invite such a serious speaker, it's all waste of time. Like in one of local shows around me, so they announced barbecue. It was in July, I guess, Sunday. They'll announce barbecue, and then they say, and they're struggling with the media. So they send the pictures out. It's like whole tables are full, like kind of like 50 people. I said, whoa, where these people came from? And then somebody explained it. They were people from New York, from this town, from that. They came from all around because of the barbecue. I say, you came from New Jersey, so to come where I live from New Jersey, you have to spend, I don't know, like maybe $20 on a toll plus gas. Like how much you're going to eat? Just buy yourself and save your time. Buy yourself a few pounds of meat, make yourself barbecue, and such a waste of time, right? So basically, people came because of the food, but at the end, they still struggling with the minion, unfortunately. Okay, continue. In a contrast, a wise man eats only one dish or two, eating only enough to sustain him. So as we said before, so this wise man is eating only so he can be healthy and can be servant of Hashem. So he said, I eat this meat because I need to be strong. I need to learn Torah. I drink this this coffee. So I have decline. So I have the strength. Okay. So just 1 second, we're almost finished. So 21. The source for the source as a source for which eating two dishes, the commentary have suggested Derech Eretz Rabbah chapter 7. It happened that Rabbi Akiva served a meal to his students. The servants brought two dishes before him. They ate and were satisfied. Okay, so it's really equivalent from Rabbi Akiva. As a source for eating one dish, they point out to some head in 94b. Okay, and made the name of the righteous be blessed. Okay, this refers to Tzidkiyahu, king of Yehuda, who ate only 1 liter of greens for the meal. Okay, so basically, so he ate only like he was a king. He could eat whatever he wants, but he ate only these vegetables, right? These sources, notwithstanding, it appears that Rambam is merely stating that sage should confine himself to simple and modest fare. Okay, simple and modest fare. Okay. He may not have had a special source in mind. Okay. I apologize. Somebody is calling me in the next class, but we're almost done. Okay, we're almost done. This is alluded by the Shlomo statement: the righteous man eats to satisfy his soul. And last comment, and we stop, number 22. Not Rambam uses the verse in chapter 1, Halachah 4. All right, so very nice. Thank you for the learning.